Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. George with New Age Studios. Today we're going to be discussing one of my favorite lenses I always keep in my bag, the Sigma 24-70 f2.8 Mark II. This lens has saved me on many occasions. This is my most versatile lens I keep in my bag on my camera at all times. This lens is 24-70 millimeters, a great focal length, great versatile focal length that can get wider shots and a little bit of closed-in shots for basically just everything you need. We're gonna get into it in the video. First things first, let's talk about build quality. This lens, if you've ever felt one of these lenses before, it's built like a tank. This lens has taken a beating from me, unfortunately. Been tossed around in my bag. I've dropped it on a couple occasions, which I know there's people that are gonna be listening to this and cringing when they hear it, but things happen. And having equipment that's sturdy, having equipment that can take a beating is very important, and this lens is not an exception. It is a little on the heavier side. Now I've shot with the f2.8 24-70 Sony G Master lens. That one is a little bit lighter, it's noticeably a little bit heavier, but the image quality and the build quality it's excellent. This lens definitely feels premium. It feels very well made, and the image quality is no exception. We're gonna get into that next. One of the biggest reasons why you're gonna want this lens in your bag, the 24-70 millimeter focal length is so versatile. 24 millimeters giving us a very wide angle. If you're shooting weddings, if you're shooting different events, this is definitely gonna be able to get a lot of your subject matter into frame. And at 70 millimeters, you're getting your 50 millimeter, you get your 70 millimeter shots, those nice zoomed in for more candid portrait style shots. And if you really wanna get up close to action, you don't have to be in somebody's face, you can be a little bit farther away. It's overall a great focal length, I think. You can get your wider shots and you can get your much tighter, closer, more intimate shots as well. One thing to keep in mind, at 24 millimeters, this lens will allow much more of the background to play when it comes to the photos you're taking. Now, sometimes we might not have a very interesting background, or sometimes we want to take a more environmental type portrait, where the background is more interesting and you want it in your shot, or maybe you're taking an environmental type shoot where you're in a very nice area, nice green grass, many things that you want in the shot. At 24 millimeters or even at 35 millimeters, you're going to be able to get a lot more of that beautiful background into your image. Next, let's talk about image quality. This is a very renowned lens for Sigma. The 24-70 Art series is their competitor to the Sony G Master. I've had excellent images. Pop them up on the screen. We've taken excellent images with this lens, even wide open at f2.8. The colors are vibrant and the bokeh is just so beautiful. Creamy, smooth, making your subject pop against that beautiful blurry background. And there you have it. The Sigma 24-70 f2.8 Mark II Art is an excellent lens, very versatile, 24-70 millimeter focal length. This lens is very versatile, shooting at 24 millimeters, getting a lot of your background incorporated into your image, even at 70 millimeters for more intimate close-up shots. And at f2.8, you're gonna get that beautiful blurry background. Image quality is excellent. The build quality is excellent, and with a very advanced autofocus system, you will not go wrong making this purchase, the Sigma 24-70 f2.8 Mark II. If you guys have any other questions, or if there are any other lenses you want me to go over, please let me know. I'm currently shooting this review on my Sigma 70-200 f2.8 sport lens, which is why you're seeing this more zoomed in type look. I want to really thank you guys. If you guys are enjoying this type of content, please don't forget to hit the like button. Please share this video, or if you have anybody else who's interested, or any other lenses you want to review, please let me know. I'd be more than happy to help you guys out. Again, if you guys like this type of video, please hit a like. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I want to give a shout out to my 4 subscribers. One of them is my wife. 4 subscribers, please guys, thank you so much for believing in the content. I've only uploaded a couple of videos. Let's see where this goes. I'm a local photographer in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, so I'm really wanting to build brand awareness and really share some knowledge. When I first started taking photos, I only had YouTube. So returning the favor, paying it forward, and sharing this content with you guys is something very rewarding. And if you guys have any comments, please put them in the comment section. Like I said, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the notification bell. That way, whenever we upload new videos, you don't miss anything else. For now, that's all, guys. If you guys have any questions, please let us know. Thank you for watching this video. George, New Age Studios, out.